Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw savings from unexpected expenses in Digit. Sometimes life throws unexpected expenses your way, and Digit makes accessing your savings quick and easy. To withdraw money, all you got to do is open the Digit app and go to your savings goal dashboard. There, select the specific goal from which you want to withdraw funds, such as your emergency savings funds or any other savings goal. Tap the withdraw button, enter the amount that you need, and confirm the transfer. Digit will move the money back to your linked bank accounts, usually within 1 to 3 business days. This feature ensures that you can manage surprise without stress while keeping your savings on track for future goals. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more practical Digit tips to manage your money smartly. Like the video and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you in the next one.